Oh! Wait. Here, come on in. Whoa.
My ice is in.
Oh,
Who's that?
oh, look at that.
A box head.
Oh, whoa.
It's pretty good. Very
Wait a
good.
minute. Stephanie said she'd be here before me.
What was that?
Oh, Batman, too.
Put your mask back on.
Put your mask on. How do we you don't look like Batman.
She probably went.
Thanks for taking your shoes off, kids.
Oh, wow.
You look great.
Wow.
Put your mask back on. Let me see the mask.
Are you putting it on so I can get a picture of it?
Oh, put your hat on.
And who is the one with the box head?
I am a creeper for Minecraft.
You're a...
He's a creeper. It's called a creeper.
You're a what?
Oh. Ah. And where's Mommy? Let me get her picture. Oh.
I can't believe
And
Stephanie.
here is yours.
Done.
And here is yours, Alexander. Here's your trick or treat. Wow.
My candy.
Huh?
My candy.
What's Dad doing?
Back here.
Oh, we
Kids.
want
Oh, I
to
see.
have wanted you to come to the back door for a minute.
Cute.
There's something out
The
there.
little ghost.
There's
There's a ghost back there.
something out there.
There's a ghost.
Oh, look how cute. That's cute. Boy. Oh, look at that. There's a ghost outside.
Oh, a ghost! Oh,
Look at
wow.
the ghost.
Is he moving?
He is moving.
Oh, he's slowing up.
Maybe the ghost needs a piece of pizza.
Yeah.
You want
Does he go
pizza
back the
now
other
or
way?
Yes.
candy?
Oh, there he goes. Look, guys, look.
Come here, come here. You gotta
Hurry,
look at
come
this.
here. Look, there he is.
Wow.
Wow. Wait a minute. Just stay here
I'm
and wait.
looking at
You have to
your
watch. Oh, you can't see here. You go over.
He's not moving
Go ahead,
very
over.
fast. Clap your hands.
He's a slow ghost. He hasn't
Clap
had
your
to.
hands.
Is
Hasn't
it
had his
moving?
Wheaties. Yeah, he's moving.
We had them going for a while, and then
Wow. That's cute.
Is he making noise?
Oh, he's turning towards them.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
That's cute. Aw. Give him half the dick just for you.
You want pizza first or candy?
10/29/2012.
Is that on YouTube?
It might be.
Wow. Wow, look at all this.
You know you don't actually date. It actually says it was
Can't you
posted
tell,
2
Sharon?
days ago. So if you put the
What? I can put it on. I can put it on right away. What outfit do you have on?
And what are you eating here? Did you try your...
I found
What did you find in there?
She said it might cost you $1,000 to take that
I
stuff out.
found the Doritos.
Yeah.
I found the
Might as
Cheetos.
well.